Hi everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting weekly videos on real estate related issues such as the Tampa Bay luxury market, pricing your home, why my home won't sell, why you should move your business to Tampa, Hillsborough County related real estate updates, new residential construction coming up, and all the exciting changes to downtown Tampa. I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Also, if you're interested in listing your home and be featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. My information's below. Be sure to subscribe for updates and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you next week. Bye.